Hey homeowners, ready to give your living room a stunning makeover? Let's dive into some of the top color schemes that'll transform your space from drab to fab. First up, we have the classic neutral palette. Think whites, beiges and grays. These shades create a calm, timeless look and make your space feel larger. Add some pops of color with throw pillows or artwork to keep things lively. Next, let's talk about bold and vibrant. This is for those who love a splash of drama. Think royal blue, emerald green, or even a rich burgundy. Pair these with gold or metallic accents to create a luxurious feel. Remember, balance is key. If you're into something more subtle, go for pastels. Soft pinks, mint greens, and baby blues are perfect for creating a serene and cozy atmosphere. Mix and match these hues with whites and light woods for a dreamy effect. Now, for the trendsetters, we have the monochromatic scheme. Choose one color and use various shades and tones of it throughout the room. This creates a sophisticated and cohesive look. Add texture with different fabrics and materials to keep it interesting. Finally, don't forget about the earth tones. These are inspired by nature. Think warm browns, soft greens, and deep oranges. They create a welcoming and grounded feel. Pair them with natural materials like wood and stone for an organic vibe. When choosing a color scheme, always consider the mood you want to create and how the space will be used. And don't be afraid to experiment. Your living room is a reflection of your personality, so have fun with it. That's it for today's tips on living room color schemes. Consult Barde Infra for your interior design needs and subscribe to our channel for more interior design tips. See you next time.